Hello, dear student. You are watching SNS World YouTube channel. Today we start history. It is your new subject. At first, you should know what do you mean by history. History is a record of past events which are written in systematic or chronological order, or it is systematically. सभी घटना को हम लोग सिस्टमेटिकली क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में रखा जाता है, उसको बोला जाता है हिस्ट्री. नाउ यू आर इन स्टैंडर्ड 6 in 2020, then 2019 you are standard 5, 2018 then Jesus Christ when born, after that it is known as AD, and before Christ BC. Suppose it is 1, 2, like that it backward comes. So in history you remember about timeline. This is called timeline. Then history, when people can read and write, at that time history start. Who is known as father of history? Father of history is Herodotus. So today your topic is the sources of history. This is topic. And what is history? Why we study history? And what are the source? What are the sources? Those things we discuss today. What? That one you know. Record of past event. At it link present to past. And you know that father of history, Herodotus. Then what is history you clear. Then why we study history? You know your mistakes and rectify it, and it takes to take decision. How people living, what are their cultures, those things we know through history. And history also a interesting subject which help you to score marks, and in administrative service it required. That is the ambition, that's why we read history. Then sources is archaeological source and literary source. Archaeological source, historians what by digging what they get, that is archaeological source. Artifacts what human made utensils, those things. Edicts, what are the commands of the kings, those things. Edicts. And coin, through coin, that is called numismatics. If you visit Delhi, there you get monuments, Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, those are monuments. From that we know about Mughal periods. And literary source, two types, religious religious and non-religious or secular. Religious, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bible, those what religious books. From that we know about history, what they are using, what they are doing, what are their means entertainment mode, how they are living. In secular, from travelers, those books are kept in library. There we get information about before. So these are the things in the first topic in history. So you know why you read history, what is history, what are the source of history, that things detail you get in books. That is the web chat to remember these things. And another things in history, history before period is known as prehistory. Prehistory, at that time people unable to write, they did not record their events in Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic age. Their food gatherer, gradually they improve, not improve suddenly, like that happen. So these are the information. This one help you to understand this chapter. Next we discuss about question answer, and you go through the books, like, share and comment this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get earlier information.